Hey, what's up guys? Derek here at the EZ LYNK. Today we're talking Arctic Cat. This is on our power sports side of the company. Same product that you'd use, the Auto Agent 3 or the Auto Agent 2, but we have cables that will work for your power sports applications. So today we've got a 25 Arctic Cat 858 along with a 24 600. Both have support for this, and we now have support for the 2026 model. So look forward to seeing some more information about that. But today, what we want to do is just go over the cables and what you need, what it looks like, how to connect to the machines, and what are some of the functions and benefits of using the Auto Agent 3 on your snowmobile. So let's get started. We're going to show you with the cables. Here we have our power injection cable. This will power up the snowmobile so that you can update the ECM, flash it, as well as run diagnostics. We will also need the Auto Agent 3 Arctic Cat cable. This is going to be connecting right to the Auto Agent 3 on the end. And then this will connect to the power up adapter. And then this will connect to the diagnostic port. So let's show you what it looks like, how we get started, and get to it. All right guys, so here we are on the side with the power up adapter. You're gonna get the alligator clips and the cables to go with it. You'll be able to connect this with any 12-volt battery. In one of our previous videos, we showed you some alternative ways to power up your sled. This is, the most logical and easiest thing for a lot of shop owners and homeowners is just hooking it up to a 12-volt battery. So we've got it connected. We're going to connect the two ends together. And then here on the side, we've got our diagnostic port. So we're going to go ahead and connect to that. And then we'll grab our Auto Agent 3 cable and Auto Agent 3 tool and plug it in. So now you are connected. With that, we're going to then go to our Auto Agent app, log in, and show you what it looks like as you have this selected as the vehicle. All right guys, so now that we're all connected, we've got the Auto Agent 3 hooked up and the power up adapter connected. We're gonna go in and connect to the Auto Agent app. This is gonna be where you'll be able to connect to the snowmobile, see the diagnostics, do a firmware update, and view some of the PIDs that we have as well. To connect, we're going to go into our settings. We're going to go and hit it's with Wi-Fi. You'll see our Auto Agent right there with My Networks, and we're going to connect. And we have connected. We're going to go into the Auto Agent app, and we are going to go and see the vehicle that we are connected to. So, as you can see, here we are connected. We can go under technicians if you're linked to a technician who has provided maybe calibrations or firmware updates or even factory updates from the dealerships. Over here on the left-hand side, we can go under DTCs, and this is where we can read or clear the codes. You can see we don't have any at this point. And then we can go back to the dashboard, and there's a whole bunch of different PIDs that we can monitor. Some of those PIDs include your gear, your engine hours, your vehicle speed, your intake temperature, your throttle position, battery voltage, a lot of useful information that technicians and even just general owners are curious on and can help maybe get to the root of the problem when a problem arises. So right here in our dashboard, this is where you'll be able to select those PIDs. You can go under and change them to whatever you may want, exhaust temp, set a warning level, and then hit done. At this point, this shows the majority of what we have for the Arctic Cat snowmobiles. These are great machines, we love them. There's more to come. As I mentioned before, we now have support for the 2026 Arctic Cat. As always guys, thanks for watching and checking us out. To learn more about our videos, check out our channel, see what else we have listed, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.